how this analog layout is different from a digital. We know, I mean, digital circuit designs and the analog circuits. So far we have discussed only analog design, and people might have want to know how analog and the digital are going to be different. Digital designs always uses a predefined gates. Any logic that you can design with a NAND gates, NOR gates, or the predefined gates. But in analog it is not like that. You do not have any predefined circuit. A same amplifier cannot be used all places. Everywhere the amplifier spec is changing. I mean, you need to design the all the circuits from the transistor level itself. There is no reuse of the circuit. Okay, and the design time in the digital circuits can be limited, because I mean you have so many automated tools where it designs the design using existing gates and all those things. But here analog circuits, I mean, as I mentioned, we are dealing with the microamperes and millivolts and all those things. The designing circuits takes more, and the layout efforts also takes more. And the digital design, maybe, I mean, we may not able to expect like more frequencies and all those things, but you can here expect a high frequency designs and all those things.